Hello guys, this is Mike from McProgramming.org. Today we are going to learn how to get my favorite IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment. It's called Eclipse. It's a text editor, whatever you want to call it. It's where we write our code and we can run it and save it, and it saves everything in a nice format. It compiles everything and it's free. I have Eclipse right here but it's the EE edition, which is the Enterprise edition. It has quite a few extra features that would make life a little bit harder for a beginner to understand it. So I'm going to go step by step with you to download just the standard Eclipse. So let's get started in here. In here, just search for Eclipse Java. There's Eclipse downloads, and go right here to eclipse.org/downloads, and we are going to get let's see, where is it, Eclipse Standard Edition right here. I will download the Windows 64-bit. Right here I guess you can change between Mac and Windows and Linux. I'm just going to download the 64-bit, and I guess United States. Just download. And right down here you can see it's downloading, and it's going to be quite a while. It's a zip file, so I will get back to you as soon as this is done. Hello guys, I'm back. Man, that took about 40 minutes to download this zip file. I don't think it's ever taken that long before. I guess my internet's a little messed up. Click on this, on the Eclipse zip file. Wait for it to open. Maybe my whole computer's just running slow. Come on, buddy. Wings up. Okay. I downloaded a zip extractor. I forgot about this, so I guess we're gonna have to do it here. Actually, I don't want to do that. Let's go to. It should be in your downloads file. Which one did I download? What's today? The 11th. So right here is the file I downloaded, and all you're going to want to do is, let's see, extract all. There is no extract all. Okay, I guess we're going to have to use WinZip on the fly. Extract to, not registered, so choosing it. Let's see. What is going on here? Downloads. No. You want to put yes. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm just going to extract it to a folder within downloads, and then I'll move that folder. Is your PC up to speed? The version, blah, 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 blah. Remind me later. I don't really care right now. I'm trying to get this done. Okay, I'm going to want to put this in my program files. So just throw that bad boy in there. Oh, I'm going to put it right here on the program files. Boom. Continue. Writing it. Okay, now let's pray to God that this is the case. There we go. The one that has the purple circle, which is the Eclipse symbol, and it also says application over here, that is the actual file that we'll be using. Let's see if I can send it to the desktop just to make life a lot easier for us. And I already have a couple Eclipses on there, so I'm going to rename this one to the standard Eclipse. Right there, bam. Okay, so you're going to want to open this up, and it'll take a second to load up, and you're going to be saving all your files in what's called workspace, and all you have to do is name the path, and mine right now is C, users, my name, and then the workspace. So I usually keep it in that and just change the name of this. For this case, I'm going to say Java tutorials. And I'll keep all of everything I go through within these videos in here. And I will use this as my default. Say OK. Let this load up and should have a... Okay, so here's the workbench area. We can get rid of this for now. Just click X. And then here is your blank Eclipse IDE. This is where we're going to get our hands dirty with the coding. And I will run a little, let's see how much time we got. So we are about 5 minutes in. Let's say I'll just run a quick little program to run, but we will, this isn't official, this was just to get Eclipse up, but I'll show you how it works. We're just going to click Java project, a name, this will come up, and let's get rid of this. It's going to call it test. You want using the execution environment JRE. We have this 7, so you always want to use the latest one. Use a project specific JRE, so that's a 6, huh? Let's see, configure JREs. I'm gonna add let's go add the one we just downloaded, previous video. Here's program files. I always get it mixed up. So let's go in here. And it's not in there, it's in this file. So open this up real quick. And we're going to want to find the JRE7. There we go. And say OK. Bam. Load that in there. So now we have the JRE7. Say OK. So we can add the 7 there. Always want to use the latest one. Click Next. And add a new class. So I'm going to call this test also. And it will automatically set up the blank class template for your public class test, and that will become more clear as time comes on what that means. I'm just going to show you that this does work. So we want a main method, which is where the program looks first for the code. Call that public static void main string args. Like I said, this doesn't have to make sense yet. I'm going to do a system out stream. We're going to print to the computer screen. Let's say, hey, Eclipse works. So when I hit this run test, this will automatically save the file test.java, compile it into a test.class, and it should display hey, Eclipse works down here, because this will be our default console for right now. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that's all correct. Say OK, bam, hey, Eclipse works. So this works, and the next bit of videos will all be fun. It'll all be coding, no more setting anything up for right now, and we will explain some of these simple things and start getting a little bit more complex. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my videos, McProgramming, and also visit my website. It's kind of under construction, but it's available to view. It doesn't have much functionality, but it's McProgramming.org. So thank you all very much, and y'all have a good night.